Hey, Bob Carr here with the Bob Carr Show. In this episode, we're going to talk about the benefits of having a properly working rain sensor connected to your lawn sprinkler system and the problems and heartache it can cause you when they don't work correctly. The reason a rain sensor is so important is nothing worse than going to work early in the morning and see your neighbor's lawn sprinkler on, water going down the street, and it's been raining or rained the night before. That's a huge waste of water and a huge waste of resource, because then you have to mow more, bigger chance of getting fungus in your yard. When they're not working properly, it's either calibrated wrong, it's not talking back to the controller, somebody's caused a problem with this, or it just simply failed. I see this all the time, and people, they'll have all this elaborate landscape and lawn, and they're not getting the proper water down to it because the rain sensor is not working correctly. For more information and or help with your rain sensor, give us a call here at the office at 410-721-2342 or hit the link below for more information.